These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm coming home to say I'm coming home to you. Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling home to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
Samsung Galaxy Z Flip price in Pakistan. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip price in Pakistan is 249,999 rupees. Official dealers and warranty providers regulate the retail price of Samsung mobile products in official warranty. Price of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip in Pakistan is 249,999 rupees. Price of Samsung in the USD is $1,863. Samsung with another smartphone called Galaxy Z that has got a moniker Flip at the end. The smartphone was named Galaxy Blue, but it is confirmed that it was the code of the smartphone. The design of the new smartphone Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is outstanding. The leaked information about the new handset confirms that it will come equipped with a large display screen of 6.7 inch, which shows the display screen of Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip than the Motorola Razr, which is 6.7 inches. The design is stunning along with the specs that are quite impressive. The upcoming device is equipped with a punch-hole display Infinity O display. The punch-hole display screen of the Samsung Galaxy Z's having a 10 megapixels front-facing camera that will assist the user with taking selfies and making video calls. On the rear of the phone, there is a dual camera setup. The main sensor of the Galaxy Z Flip by Samsung of the camera setup will be 12 megapixels. The secondary sensor is going to 5 megapixels. The handset will be powered by one of the latest chipsets available for the smartphone that will keep the Samsung Z Flip on toes regarding performance. The RAM of the device is also a gigantic one. The Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset and the 8 GB of RAM will enhance the processing speed of the handset. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip has got massive internal storage of 256GB capacity. This is enough storage to keep a huge amount of data for future use. The phone is running on the latest operating system Android 10. The Galaxy Z Flip is fueled with powerful battery. Either it would come with a 3,400 mAh battery capacity or 3,300 mAh battery capacity. The upcoming Z Flip will be a great asset to the market.